Today, I'm reviewing Bliss OS versus PrimeOS versus Phoenix OS to help you decide which Android-based PC operating system you should install in 2026 based on features, compatibility, updates, performance, and ease of use. Bliss OS is an open-source Android.86 OS that runs recent Android versions with a desktop-style interface, taskbar, multi-window support, and strong customization, making it a flexible choice for power users and developers who want a modern Android experience on laptops or desktops. Bliss OS also tends to receive regular updates and security patches from its community, though some users note occasional installation quirks and hardware compatibility issues depending on your system. PrimeOS emphasizes a lightweight environment with a desktop-like UI, gaming enhancements like key mapping, multi-window support, and smooth performance on older or mid-range hardware, and it's often easier to install, but usually runs older Android versions, which can limit compatibility with the newest apps and features. Phoenix OS offers a familiar Windows-style desktop interface, support for a wide range of Android apps, and optimizations for gaming and multitasking, and it can be especially friendly on lower-end PCs, but it doesn't get updates as frequently, and has had concerns around limited hardware support and user community resources. Real user experiences show that any Android.86-based OS can run into driver issues or boot challenges on some machines, so testing in live mode first is recommended. In 2026, if you want the most up-to-date features and customization flexibility and don't mind occasional setup complexity, Bliss OS is often the best choice, while PrimeOS can be a better pick for lightweight, gaming-focused use on older hardware, and Phoenix OS may appeal if you prefer a simple, familiar desktop Android interface with broad basic app support.